Welcome to another video, the same every time, GCSE Maths, iGCSE Maths. Looking at the questions that, apart from the numbers, are exactly the same every time. Learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. We're looking at the nth term of a linear sequence. Part A, the nth term of a sequence is 60 minus 8n. So in this case, they are giving us the nth term formula. Find the largest number in this sequence. Well, let's think about how we use the formula to generate the sequence. To get the first term, I put n equals 1 into my formula. So I'm doing 60 minus 8 times 1, 60 minus 8. So the first term of my formula is going to be, let's get this one right, it's going to be 52. So 60 minus 8, that's going to give me 52. Now if I want the second term in my formula, in my sequence, then I put n equals 2 into the formula. So I'm going to do 60 minus 8 times 2, so 60 minus 60, and that's going to give me, for my next term, 44. Then if I want the third term, the next term for my sequence, what I need to do is put n equals 3 into my formula, and I'm going to do 60 minus 8 times 3. Everywhere I see n, I'm just putting 1 for the first term, 2 for the second term, 3 for the third term. 60 minus 24 will give me 36. Well, I'll just do one more here. If I want to know the fourth term of my sequence here, I'm going to put n equals 4 into the formula, and then 60 minus 8 times 4. So everywhere I see n, I'm going to put 4 instead. So 60 minus 8 times 4 gives me 28. And do you see what's happening here? I've got my sequence 52, 44, 36, 28. And you can see the numbers are getting smaller every time. So the question says find the largest number in this sequence. Well, the largest number must be the first one, because if you look at this, look, I'm taking away 8, I'm taking away 8, I'm taking away 8. So my numbers get smaller every time. So my largest number is in fact the first term, which is 52. Maybe that question, the first time you look at it, find the largest number in the sequence, looks like it's going to be a bit tricky, but it's not as bad as it looks, because all we have to do is write down the sequence, and we can see easily there that the biggest number is 52. Part B, here are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. So it's a different sequence. Find an expression for the nth term of this sequence. So we need the nth term formula, which always looks like some number times n plus or minus some other number. And if you've been watching the previous videos, you know the first thing we must do is work out the difference between each number. So 12 to 19, I'm adding 7. 19 to 26, I'm adding 7. 26 to 33, I'm adding 7. I'm adding 7 every time, aren't I? So we take the number that we are adding each time, which in this case is 7. It is plus 7, but in the case of a plus number, positive number, we don't really need to write the plus sign at the beginning of the expression. So just 7, 7n. And then the next thing we need to do, starting from the 12, we just go in the opposite direction. Instead of adding a 7, I take away a 7. So 12 minus 7, that's going to give me 5. That's a plus 5, positive 5. So my nth term formula for that particular sequence, 7n plus 5. If the video was useful to you, please press the like button. Please also press the subscribe button. And thank you very much for watching. I will meet you again in the next video.